Making our way to the next dimension. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, hi, me. Okay, sweet. So, we're back. Hello, it's been a while. It's been a while a lot recently. Man, I can't wait to start streaming regularly again. Wouldn't that be great? Wouldn't that just be dandy? Copy, mute, shut up me. Lower quality, minimize, turn on music because I need music. Send. Okay, add everyone. Beautiful. All right. It's been a while since we were streaming. Let me just turn that on. Mute. Helps me see chat a little bit too by alt-tabbing a bit. And then we're going to turn on music, which is probably going to be... it's got to be Lo-Fi Leah, right? No. I know what we're listening to. Star Guardian? It's the streamer-friendly playlist. Sessions? I remember Sessions. That was a thing. Yeah, they never came out with a new one, huh? Yeah, it's the same ones. Huh. I thought they would have come out with a new one by now, but okay. We'll listen to this. I jam with it. I dig it. All right. Code Toil. Hello. Oh my goodness. Wowie zowie. All right. So we are on. We are back. Get Shrek if you're watching this on YouTube later. We're going to look over yours another time. It's been a while since I streamed, so we got to focus on my stuff for a bit. True Blanket. Oh my goodness. The blanket of truth. Okay. Hi. This is a bad hair day, and I'm Gary the Goo Boy. Hello. Good news. I got an arm for the monitor, so I can actually or it's actually going to be over here. I got an arm for the monitor, so you're going to see Gary hopefully soon, and I don't have to have this on in the background in order to see you guys. So let's turn on Visual Studio. I worked on a bit since you guys saw this last. I did the config pile mainly, config file. So the way it works is, if I can pull up programming here. So we have, how loud is the music? Oh, I wish I had a second monitor. Okay. So we have a config file. It looks like this. Now, this doesn't seem like much. I get it. But this is already a huge improvement because I don't usually do config files because I'm a lazy asshole. But given that this game ideally is going to have a level editor, we need some sort of config file. It has to be. So we're going to do it. So we just established the frame rate, the resolution, height, width. We'll see. We're gonna do concurrency in this game. We'll see how this goes. Not in terms of like it's not capable of doing 60 FPS, but like we may not have it where it's like locked like this. It feels weird. God damn it. God damn it, Bobby. Wait, hold on. I can do my inner Hank Hill. Let me think. God damn it. I have to listen to Hank Hill. It's been a while. Anyway, this is how you import a config file in C++. I did not go over this on stream before because I don't really do it on stream. This is something I just worked on off stream. It's pretty easy, especially in the age of C++ 26 coming up. Also, can I just gripe for a second? Can I just gripe? Hold on, let me do this. There we go. Now I can see you guys. Oh, wait. Let's work smarter, not harder. Garrett, God damn it, Gary, your street times are so weird. It's gonna be fixed. It's just right now there's a lot going on. I promise you. Once this first 2 episodes of the video game history thing comes out, you're gonna be seeing so much of me, you're gonna be sick. All right. But yeah, it's a lot's going on right now in terms of this content and in terms of the HoloRhythm game, which I already have like everything set up for that in terms of development, like songs and everything. So beautiful. Anyway, this is how you do a config file. We're not doing anything like XML or whatever the fuck you guys use. It's unnecessary. This is gonna be, you know, a 2D game. I can't imagine us needing anything more than the C++ txt file, unless we want to like encrypt and make it a lot more complicated. In any case, here's how you do a config file in C++. It is this easy. You open an in-file stream. So if you ever wonder the difference between I and O, read it backwards. You are streaming a file into the program. OF stream is you're streaming from the program into a text file. So I and O, in, out, you're into the program or out of the program. Then you name what it is, because this is an object now. We're gonna call it config file, and the path to the config file is just config.txt. This might need a whole path to it, which has like standard path and all that. We're just gonna put the config file in the same path as the exe, so it should just be this. Gary, have you seen my messages on Discord? The recent ones? Yeah, I saw. Sorry, I wasn't expecting you to be here, Get Shrek. Sorry, I was expecting you to watch the VOD. We're gonna go over your stuff like later. Also, this is the first time you're here. Okay, I'm not crazy. I'm used to seeing you in VODs and like YouTube comments. Hello, nice to see you finally live. We'll go over your stuff another time, but it's been a while since I actually streamed, so I just want to get as much of what I did off stream onto the stream today. So just give me a chance to get organized. I have this project going on too. There's a lot. Nah, man, Twitch was effed up. Oh man, sorry. So anyway, you open a path called config.txt, and that is for us, if we go to our programming folder here, HoloRhythm. So in the .exe where it's gonna be, it'll see a file called config.txt, which is this, and this is the text. So this is kind of cool. How do you use C++ to read some text, which in this case is going to be used for data entry? It's going to be stuff like what I'm thinking in my head, how we're going to do this game, because it's a rhythm game. What I'm going to do is we're going to make a level editor where in the level editor, you establish a note onto the screen. That note will actually be, it will look like this in the text file. It'll be, oops, not dashes. It'll be like that, where it's just gonna be like raw data as like one note. And then it'll be like, here's another note, here's another note, another note, another note, another note. And it'll go down to whatever it is, like 300 things. And that'll be how we have all the information for the note. So what we'll do is during the loading of the game, we're just gonna read this as all the information for one note, and then it's gonna be the next line is another note, next line is another note, that kind of deal. So if we spam the same note like 12 times or something, it's gonna look like that or something like that, where it's just one after the other, but all that gets automatically made in the level editor. That's how I'm thinking in my head we're gonna do this, because it's a rhythm game. I can't imagine there'd be that much of an issue. And then we just put all that information into a vector and it just load the vector as you're going. I guess it could be an array, but I guess if it's a const expression, it could be an array, but whatever. In any case, how do you read this? That's a good question, huh? If you're streaming YouTube too, man, save the video. I'm catching up, bro. Yeah, we're saving the videos on YouTube. I'm not deleting them. I like YouTube VODs more as well, because Twitch automatically delete them after 6 months, 3 months. I'm an affiliate and they delete them pretty fast. In any case, we open up the config file. Now, how do we store Space Cadet Aphrodite? Oh my goodness, it's been a while. How you been? Oh, Aphrodite. Do you want to talk about the stuff I've worked on the last 4 months? I have a whole ass set. I have a new room. I have a desk that moves up and down now. I have one monitor, which is why you see me looking at chat on this instead of like its own separate thing. I had a whole adventure these last 4 months. Holy cow. You're gonna love this series though, Aphrodite. Oh, this is my magnum opus. If there's ever been a project I have put more time, money? I don't know about money. I put a lot of money into VTubing and making video games. I don't know if I've exceeded a couple thousand on this, so grain of salt on that. Definitely the most time though. Holy shit. The books I've had to read. Dude, all the books I've had to fucking read. God damn. I had to read that. I had to read, of course, all the books come in like obnoxious RGB color because it's video game history. Retro video games. They Create Worlds was a big one. That was like fucking 700 pages. They Create Worlds, and then what else did I read? Something by Alex Smith, but I've read so many fucking books. Anyway, this is it. This is my life right now. So that whole set is just for that. It's coming out real soon. You have to understand, okay, before we talk about programming in a second, just let me just say, if you guys want, let me link something to you guys if you're bored. If I bore you, let me link you something, okay? This video by Dan Olson, okay? Watch it after this stream or when you get bored of me or whatever. It's like 15 minutes. This might be such a great, this just came out too. This might be like the best summary of what I went through as like developing this series. Just replace his like struggles and his like stuff with what like me, because he talks about like video presentation and documentaries and like how to do them accurately. And it's so correct. It's so right. God damn it. Oh, it's so right. You have to understand, every time I have filmed the first episode of the Video Game History Project, when did I push this up? I put the logo out October 25th. That was 3 months ago. I thought I was almost done. Whoops, there goes my water bottle. I was almost done, chat, 3 months ago. And then I'm like, actually, I should re-record this because that's not really correct. And I know what happens in 8 years after this. So it's like, I'm finally to the point now where it's like, you know what? I've done my research. I'm confident in what I say. I know Nolan Bushnell's a fraud. I'll catch up later, bro. Yeah, see you later, Get Shrek. Have a good night or morning. Whatevs. I'll see you later. But oh man. Oh, anyway, let's get back to programming, but the wait will be worth it, guys. I promise. It's been like 4 months since we've done this. It's been so long since I've streamed regularly. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go through. Anyway, let's get back to programming. It is wonderful to see you though, Astro Daddy. I appreciate it. Still love your art, by the way. All right, so, okay, back to the config file. So we have a config file now. Ooh, configuration file. Now we can like set up the resolution of the game and the height of the game and the frame rate of the game. Beautiful, easy. But how do we read it? I would put each song in a separate file personally. Yes, I think you're right. I think you are completely correct. But we'll go over that later. So this is how to set up the game. Where's my music, by the way? Hello? There we go. So what are we doing here? Well, what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna make a map. Now a map, remember, is just a container. It's like an array, it's like a vector, it's like a deck. Every container that is in C++, it has its own advantages and disadvantages. And a map is really cool because a map, what it does is it takes a key and then it stores some information at that key. So if you want something like, how do I explain? That's a good example. If you want something like, I want to have a container that contains the color of all of Gary's clothes. So what you would do is you would have a map called Gary, and here you would have shirt. And then it would, in that shirt spot, it would contain whatever. It could be a color, or whatever, an SDL color. It could have one of those. It could have an integer. In this case, it's a standard string. So what we're doing is we're inserting a string as the key, meaning resolution, frame rate, whatever string we want to put in there. And it will print in, or it'll store in that string as the key something, in this case, another string. The reason why is because, actually, I should just have an integer here, huh? Wait, does this get read as an integer or as a string? Wait, this should be an integer, huh? We'll go over that in a second. In any case, it prints out something. So what do we do? This is how we're gonna set everything up. It has been a while, yeah. Open Spotify, what's this? Follow Me Into the Storm Playroom Remix. That sounds like it's gonna trip up copyright. Also, because we're making a Hololive rhythm game, can I make some Hololive recommendations? Just so we're on topic here. All right, don't know how much you guys know about Hololive music, but let me blow your mind about why we're doing this. I swear to God, Hololive should have some hits on the radio, but they don't because it's cringe, because it's VTubers, right? You hear that all the time. VTubers are cringe, right? Let me blow your mind, okay? We can't play this song for very long. I'll play it for a little bit because, you know, I hate, you know, having unmuted VODs. Let me show you something, chat. Let's listen to a little bit of this. This is called High Tide by Muna. We'll play the chorus. Okay, how about that? We'll play the chorus. You ready? Isn't that goddamn great? Am I crazy? I don't think I'm crazy. I think that's an actual genuinely great fucking song. I can't play a lot of it. God, there's so many. I was going through like a bunch of Hololive music to decide what I was gonna include in the game. Who's Toxic? It's You. If you guys love your Avril Lavigne. Oh my goodness. Your action and your words will never match. You're such a piece of trash, and that's a fact. You make me feel that I'm not good enough. I give you my best, but you're not impressed. Like, it's good, right? I was just going through all the Hololive originals, and I'm like, fuck, this is good music. Even if it's not good to you, like, you gotta admit, I like Rauda. Oh, Rauda Pantera. Yeah, I like Rauda too. The only problem is she doesn't have any original music yet because she's so new. She only has the group song, right? Was it Breaking Dimensions or whatever? Rauda. Oh, I will say, Rauda and Muna have probably my favorite Hololive clip ever. This one. Okay, holy shit. So Muna, the girl who just sung the last two songs on Hololive, by the way, High Tide and Who's Toxic, It's You. Look at this. This clip might be one of my favorites in all of Hololive.
What is it?
I want to tell you that even if the world is ending and we just met,
Yes.
you got a big spot inside my heart.
Wait, hold on.
Quite
hold on,
literally.
hold on. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Please wait here.
That's a pretty hilarious. I like Muna a lot. Muna's got sass. All right. I like Muna. That's pretty funny. I like that a lot. Marina finally got a boyfriend. I can't do. Sorry. I should have grabbed water. My voice is scratchy. Before I'm off, I'm just saying she's cute and wait, what? Oh, I mixed the messages. Before I'm off, I'm just saying if you'd still be on in about 2, I must wake up then. 2 hours. Listen, I'm streaming just to prove I'm alive, and so that when this comes out, you guys are still here to like actually watch it. All right. Have you played Astrobot? No, because I don't have a PlayStation 5. I have, however, seen it be played, and it's a fantastic video game. I love it. I'm glad I got Game of the Year. I'm glad you're alive. Well, thank you, Astrodeity. I've been watching some of your streams. I don't know if you've ever... I feel weird saying hi because I don't... I feel sometimes like I hijack... I feel a little bit like an attention whore when I say hi in chat. Just know that sometimes I watch you, all right? You're a great streamer. All right, back to the program. Stop distracting me, chat. We only got 2 lines in and we're like a half hour into stream, all right? 20 minutes. All right, here we go, chat. All right. All right. We have a map called config and a config file. Remember, refresh. We're opening an in-file stream, so we're telling the computer, hey, this object config file, whatever it is, we are going to input that information from that to this. Cool. It's called config.txt as the file. Then we make a map, which is just a container. It just contains data. It's going to have a key of a string, or a string is a key, meaning that we're going to input some value later, like frame rate or resolution W, and that's the key, and it's going to output in that spot, in that container, another string. It could be a word, it could be data, whatever it is, it's a string. And we're going to call this the config, our configuration file. if this configuration file is open, meaning that we have successfully opened the file, so there's no issues. It's not missing. Sorry, I'm shouting, but the music's in my ear. That it's not missing. If it is missing, this else one, we're gonna return an unexpected fail to open config file. Please reinstall the game. If the config file doesn't open, something went terribly wrong in the installation, so we're just gonna have the user reinstall it. Then we're gonna make a new string called line while get line config file line. So what does this mean? We're telling the program read through the entire txt file, every line. There's only 3 lines in this file. If I went like this, there would be 7 lines in the file. It would just go through one by one. Basically, as long as there are lines, get line, get the whole line. Then we're gonna open up another string stream called ISS line. It's a complicated way of saying just read the line. Standard string key value. So what are we doing here? Basically, we're splitting our string. We're reading the line 2 different ways. We are going from the beginning until the equal sign, and we are going from the equal sign to the end of the line. That's all this. This is very verbose because it's C++, but that's all we're doing. So here's the logic here. This is going to be string number 1. Whatever's after the equal sign will be string number 2. If we have spaces, this affects your result, and you have to tell the program to skip the spaces. That's why we don't have spaces. I don't need spaces though. So we got that. String number 1, string number 2. This is the key string. This is the value string. It's that easy. This isn't Video Game History Project. Oh, we just talked about that, Fonzie. Also, everyone, tell Fonzie congratulations. He just had a beautiful baby boy. And I've seen pictures and they look freaking adorable. Oh my goodness. Congratulations, Fonzie. Hope you enjoy being a father, all right? I don't know if you wanted to get called out like that, but hi. Yeah, we just talked about it. This is my magnum opus, okay? Either this is the next Game of Thrones in popularity or I will be homeless, okay? Cutest baby, so tired. Oh, can I show, Fonzie, are you okay if I show a picture from the Discord on stream? I know you already shared it on Discord, so I'm sure you're okay with it, but I just want to confirm, are you okay if I show it here? Because we have pictures. Sure, all right, we're looking at baby pictures. Okay, here's picture number 1. Oh, chat, you know what I love most about this? The color. I'm just saying, those color of those pajamas, not the baby skin color. I'm sorry. That came out so incorrect. The pajamas, all right? It's adorable. Look at the little footsies. Oh, I can't wait to be a dad. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. Oh, look at the baby. Oh, he's smiling. Oh. Wow, he's so hairy. To be fair, I came out hairy too. I was a hairy baby. Oh my goodness. Cute baby. Oh, I know, it's adorable. Anyway, so our config, our map, is going to have a key from everything before the equal sign and a value. So, and then we close the file. It's that easy. So, what does that look like? Our target frame rate is now string to integer. Sure. Map frame rate. So, the frame rate is 60. That's how we do our frame rate. On the config file. If I want 120 frames, I just go to the config file. Boom, 120 frames. It's that easy. Oh my goodness, if you're a developer for my goddamn video game, look at how easy that is. Oh, beautiful. If you guys want to see our current game, you may want to shut your eyes for a second because you're going to see a blinding purple. Yeah! Look at that video game. Holy shit. I don't know what that looks like on stream. Oh Jesus. Oh God. Okay, hold on. Oh no. Oh, we're disaster. Oh Jesus. What did that look like on stream, I wonder? Hold on. I gotta see. Wait, you guys didn't see anything? Oh no, yes you did. Oh, it looks weird though. Interesting. Why don't you guys see the whole thing? Because on my monitor, it was perfectly centered. I had black bars on the left and black bars on the right, and the purple square was in the middle. I wonder why you guys couldn't see that. Ooh, that's a problem for later. Okay, maybe we should add that to the bug reports. Whoa, it's not a moist Buddha. I am not moist. No, not today. We have a arm that's coming through Amazon actually, along with another fucking book. We have an arm coming in that's going to, I'm doing something off stream that you can't even see. I'm gonna have an arm that's gonna go over my monitors so I can actually see chat up there, which is nice. I'm glad I got a standing desk, dude. This feels so, I feel so liberated. All right, I'm doing pixel art now. Cute. Bro, I'm just saying, I guess we good picks on meta AI. Stop using AI when there's actual artists in the room. Listen, I'm not opposed to okay, spoiler alert, we're using a very limited amount of AI music for the video game history project. Like this song is AI music. This is AI music. Wait for it. Wait for it. Hit him with it. Gotta be honest, it ain't bad. We're gonna use some AI music for the video game history project by virtue of it being actually not terrible. What? Chat, I hate only having one monitor. I can't do everything on one monitor. I keep trying to like flick it, my mouse to the other one. Oh my God, where am I? Okay, music, turn on, check volume. It's kind of loud. Okay, all right. The FPS should probably be per level. Disagree? Wait, what do you mean by that? Don't you want, God damn it, there we go. FPS should probably be for, don't redeem Femboy when I am IRL. Okay, that's Gary land. Gary is coming. I have my iPad right here. Ooh, dusty iPad. Dusty iPad. My iPad's there. Once I get this monitor set up and I can actually move all my shit in the background up there, then we can set up Gary. Gary's easy to set up, but I would need a, basically, actually, Gary's gonna look better than ever, believe it or not, because it's gonna be right here centered in front of me, whereas before it was like here. So we're going from like here, this angle, to like this. So it's actually gonna be a more accurate Gary, all right? Okay, what were we doing? We were checking volume levels. It's a little loud. All right, so anyway, we set up the frame rate. Now I want to try something. Currently we have everything as string to integers because I wasn't thinking things through. Can I just do int? Where's my map? Okay, can I just do an integer instead of a string here and just be fine? So this would be string key int value. Get line. No instance of overloaded function. Oh, I can't. Really? In order to read a config file, it has to be a string? Hold on. C++ reading from file. Does it always have to be a string? No. Hold on. Wait, how do I read number? String file number while file number. What? File numbers. Okay, we did that. Int value. While file has a number, print the number. AI Google, what the fuck are you doing? Okay. In file, stream file. Okay, we did that. Character. Get the character. Well, I don't care about the character. What does it say? Reading integers. Huh? File number. What? Maybe store the default FPS in the level file while also specify the FPS globally. Why would I want a default FPS in the... Yeah, don't trust AI for programming. Yeah, I've learned that. Usually I read it for like a quick, like, oh yeah, this feature is available in C++, but this is like bad. I don't need binary data. I don't know why you would have a different FPS per level. I mean, you have the video FPS in the background of like the Hololive music video, but that's going to be at like 24 FPS or something because it's all animated. So they use like not 60 animation. I don't know why you would have different FPS in the front for every level. I feel like you'd want like a consistent experience because it's a rhythm game. Read. For reading binary data, we need precise control over the number of bytes read. Use this for formatted input, number of strings separated. Okay, hold on. Reading from file, how to read int. Maybe AI can do better here. I hate this AI thing. You need to use the IF stream. Okay, we did that right here. Along with the extraction operator. Okay. While input, okay, so this. Print num. What? I hate this AI programming thing. Thank you, Stack Overflow, for answering my question. Oh my God, pop-ups. Say one video is 24 FPS, so you could have UI be 24? No. Oh, I disagree completely. I think the video can be 24 FPS, but I want the game, the rhythm part of it, that the higher the better. Listen, we're going concurrency and everything. We're doing multi-threading to make sure it's as smooth of experience as it can be. All right, we're going out of our way to make sure it's a consistent experience. It's a rhythm game. It's extremely important that it's high FPS and that it's reliable, because you want because you're depending on, because rhythm games depend on the lowest latency possible, because every millisecond kind of matters. Kind of every millisecond, at least every 10 milliseconds matter. So you want it to be fast updates. Ideally, it's like 120 FPS all the time on the UI, because then it's like 7 milliseconds a frame or something. 7? I think it's 7. 6 or 7 milliseconds a frame, which is usually good enough. That's the ideal. In any case, I guess I could just set the game to the monitor refresh rate and just have VSync on always. Is there a problem with that? Is there ever a reason somebody would not want VSync on by default? Is it for performance reasons? But it's a 2D game that's using multi-threading. I can't imagine VSync being many issues. I don't think so. Oh my goodness, I can't see anything. Oh, okay, get rid of this config file. Don't save. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so if data on an external text file like this, I don't care. I just want to see if it's even... Okay, IO streamed, int my data, my file. If your text file contains floats, but you try to read them as an int array, it won't work. Contains numbers, repeat, boom, reads in loop. While my file A. So I guess instead of this, what we can do is, so while, if this, while my file A, config file, value. Would it be like that? Is that readable? So it would print up to the equal sign. If this happens, while this, this doesn't make sense to me. Wait. No, this doesn't make sense. My old Windows laptop VSync locked the FPS to 30 when not plugged in. Well, don't use a laptop. So what would it be here? Okay, so this prints it out every time. So it's not the, okay, so we're not using while. We don't need to print it a bunch. We just need the data. Stream A, get care. If you know exactly how many elements you can chain the operator. Wait, is it that easy? Is it literally just config file value? It's not that. No shot. So this all fails because this is no longer that. These are all ints now. All right, let's see. Please just work. Oh! Oh. All right, we had a abort, but it's worse than that. It's an abort where there's an error code, but it was an error code in a way that none of my unexpected triggered. So it got pretty far. I guess I can see the debug. Oops, that was the wrong button. I'm sorry. And we're crashed. Okay. And we're crashed. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. What's going on? Close the window! Oh, my God. Do I have to Control-Alt-Delete my own goddamn computer? Oh, my God. It's frozen. Oh, no. Wait, am I still streaming? Hold on. Chat, how do I delete a program? Oh, no, I can't read chat. Wait, hold on. I can look it up on my phone. Hold on, I can't read. I can't see anything. My computer's just stuck on a black screen. The dangers of programming. Hold on. Oh. Keyboard shortcut. How to delete program. Shift delete. Force removal of selected items. Press the Windows plus X key, then F key. No, that's not it. Uninstaller shortcut. Shift delete. Is it really shift delete? So on the screen, shift delete. Shit. What is the keyboard shortcut to terminate a program? Alt F. Oh, Alt F4. Fuck. Okay, god damn it. Is my computer like frozen? Dude, I just turned on the debugger. Oh my god. Hold on, wait. Maybe I can. Okay. Shift delete. Fuck. Alt F4. Oh my god, chat, I'm actually stuck in the screen. I can't see anything. Chat, hold on, I can turn on Twitch chat on my thing. On my phone, hold on, chat, am I still here? I hope. Okay, I can see chat now, all right? If you said anything, say it now. Chat, I'm frozen. Help. Send. Oh my god, I'm not logged in. Shit. I am streaming though. Yeah, you are still streaming. Okay, I can see that. Beautiful. Okay. How do I get out of this screen? Oh my god, what am I even streaming right now? Okay, I'm stuck on this screen because I turned on debug mode. What did I even do? Oh, wait. Oh shit, I can alt tab. Okay, so okay, so now I'm on the screen, Alt F4. Shit. Wait, I've never had this problem before. So I turned on the debugger and my program is running. I'm assuming, how's my CPU? Okay, we're not burning hot over here, so it's not chugging to infinity. Yeah, my computer doesn't Control-Alt-Delete. No, I tried. Look, Control-Alt-Delete. You guys see this? I'm looking to see what your guys' thing is. Okay, I'm feeling the computer. Hold on. I'm catching up here. Damn, there's a lot of lag. Okay, so you guys don't see anything. Wow, okay, beautiful. Okay, so you guys don't see this. Task manager. And I don't get anything. We're still stuck on the black screen. Huh. So yeah, here's my task manager. Oh! Oh, that did something. No, do that again, do that again, do that again. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, okay. We have progress. Okay, what is going on here? So it's not the game, it's... What am I stuck in? I'm stuck in like something. Control Shift Escape. Okay, let's highlight this. Control Shift Escape. Nope. What the fuck did I do? Am I like reading a text file to unlimited amounts or something? What a weird... Okay, so Visual Studio, maybe this has my answer. Do you want to stop debugging? Oh my God, Visual Studio, get me out of this hell. How do I click that? Shift Y. Okay, okay, hold on. Wait, I have power. Okay, what can I do? National Bagel Day! I don't even have this enabled on my computer. Hold on, how do I... program... I can't open a file. How do I do anything from here? Fuck! I can't even end stream chat. I have to restart the computer, I think. Documents? No, not all documents. Okay. Task manager? I don't think I can. This is my task manager right here. So you see this task manager? It's beautiful, right? Click. It goes right back into the program. I think I just fucked up my computer. It's like, it's currently, here's what I think is happening. Visual Studio is actively debugging. So there must be a way, necessarily, right, to debug this. Oh, what a weird, can you guys even see this? You guys can't even see this, can you? Let me do this. I bet the keyboard still works. Oh yeah, no, keyboard works fine. I pulled up Control-Delete just fine. You didn't see it, but let me try this. Let's turn on, let's go to Google on my phone because I don't have access to my computer right now. Let's keyboard shortcut to stop debugging Visual Studio, because I think it's a Visual Studio thing. Okay, I'm seeing in the background divide by 0 or something. Shift F5. Huh? Huh? No! Damn. Here's what I think is going on. I need to stop the debugger, but I'm stuck because I divided an integer by 0. That must be it. Because I can't do anything else. Chat, why am I streaming under League of Legends right now on my goddamn computer? If you said anything recently, I can't see it. I'm sorry. Can you say that again? Okay, hold on. I can't read it. It's so small. Sorry, I had to go to a different window, so I didn't see your chat. Damn. Can I see it somewhere else? Can I see it like here? Nope, that would be too easy. Oh, hi, B. Nice to know the camera's still working. Oh my god, I can't even see general chat. I can alt tab just fine. I bet you could still use the keyboard shortcut to kill the process in Task Manager. Okay, so we are in Task Manager. Okay. We have the Task Manager highlighted right now. So, what was it? Windows delete? Shift delete? Alt F4? No, I don't want to program out of that. Because I could see like the process list. It's just okay, here's what's going on if you guys don't know, okay? We, in our debug, we accidentally divided by 0 somewhere because you could see the errors on the bottom there because it threw an exception at integer division by 0. and an unhandled exception at integer division by 0. So I see exactly where the error happened, because the target frame rate, I think what happened is instead of reading 60, it read it as 0 because it cut off the 6. And then when we divided by the target frame rate, which was now 0, the whole system went crashed. The problem is because we divided by 0, we are now stuck in an endless loop of the program and Visual Studio asking us if we want to stop debugging. So I can't actually click the button. Try pressing Windows R. Maybe I should highlight the window we're on. Windows R. Nope. Oh, I can see what you tried to do though. You tried to do the run thing here. See, I can highlight it, but I can't actually interact with it. I can only interact with things on the start menu, which is super weird, but I guess that makes sense if you're dividing by 0. I can close Windows here. Like I can close my browser and everything. I just can't interact with this because the debugger's on. Could I run another Visual Studio instance? Would that fix it? Yeah, I can't close out of this because I need to close the debugger. And I can't close the debugger because I need access to the actual screen. Art thou feeling it, Mr. Krabs? I don't know, I'm tired. Dragonkin, I would love to talk to you, but my computer is broken. Chad, if you ever wonder what happens if you divide by 0, it is what's happening on the screen right now. I can't actually interact with my computer. Try using the tab key to highlight stuff and enter chat. I don't think I can do anything. I can press tab here. Control Alt Delete, Task Manager. Here's the Task Manager. Yeah, I can't do it. I can only do things on here. Oh, I guess I could use my arrow keys, but it's only on that. I don't know, I guess I could run it blind. So this is the first one. I'm already on the task manager list, right? I think we have to restart chat. Okay, here's the deal. Let's stop stream here because my computer is literally divided by 0. If you guys don't believe me, I'm not making this up. Look, look, look. Okay, hold on. Let me highlight this because my computer's stuck. We're currently stuck in the... Okay, before we end stream, let me explain what's going on, okay? We made a program. We're reading from a text file as the configuration file. What happened is as the very last line in the configuration file, we have our frame rate, which is 60. What happened is when I was reading the integer value, instead of 60, I was accidentally overriding every integer with the integer that comes after. So instead of 60, it was 0. Problem is when the program crashed and I didn't know what happened, there was no explanation. What happened was we set up the debugger. Now here's the problem. Our frame rate is 1000 milliseconds divided by our target frame rate, which is 0. So the debugger figured that out and we're stuck. The problem is because we divided by 0, the program itself is still running. Because program is still running, I can't get out of it, but because I can't get out of it, I can't get out of Visual Studio asking me, do I want to stop debugging? Because I don't have access to it because I'm stuck in the program. So we're stuck in an endless loop. Try using the tab key to highlight the text box and run in dialog box. In the run dialog, but no, I don't have access to anything. You have to, when I press tab, it's the start menu. I don't actually have access to these programs. I can't. This is not interacting with it. I'm just seeing it by highlighting the picture, okay? This is outside of my control. I can't actually interact with anything, not even the task manager. Like I can alt tab my way there. Like I can't even see the run dialog box. I guess if I alt tab to Visual Studio and I press enter, Shift Y, Tab Shift Y, enter. Yeah, it's not working. I think we're stuck. I think I gotta restart. What a weird thing. Well, if anyone wants to try fixing this yourself, I guess divide by 0, and if the program crashes, there you go. Oh, I'm stuck on full screen too. Sorry. Maybe that's probably part of the problem is we're actually dedicated full screen, not borderless windowed. So maybe that's contributing it to as well. But in any case, everyone, have a good night. Have a good evening. I promise we'll be back tomorrow, okay? I have my time a little freed up a little bit more. This is largely finished for the first episode and a half. Mostly. So that's a thing, and we'll go over it then. Everyone, have a good night. Have a good evening. I'm gonna restart my computer. I hope you don't see me when I turn on the computer, hopefully. That wouldn't go to plan. Have a good night. All right, love you. Dragonkin, I see you on my phone. Thank you. Codetail, thank you. I don't think that would work. I've already tried. Finally tab until you hit the text box, enter some text and press enter, or you can just restart. All right, have a good night. Codetail, you're awesome. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? I promise we'll be back. Goodbye.